out in the title, this is probably my favourite unboxing I've ever done so far to date on here, because as you may or may not have known, I bought, well, kind of bought an iPad, and I'll show you it now. It's in this really nice case that I got from Amazon. It's a rose gold one. I won't show you the actual lock screen because my friends are in that. But I've got this iPad. It's really nice. It's huge. It's just so much better. It's so much quicker. And I got it from the official Apple website, which is where I'll get all my Apple products so I know it's legit. But I pay £18 a month for that. On finance through Barclays, no interest, and that was one thing on my big purchases this year I wanted to get. Second was a laptop, and I wanted an Apple one because my friends have had them. I know people that have had them as well out of my friendship group, and I've just heard great things. So I had a look, and this laptop that I got would have retailed, well, does retail for £1,199 because I got extra memory, I think, which cost me an extra £200, but obviously I can't afford to pay that outright. Wish I could, but I couldn't. So I am paying £49 a month for 2 years. So the payments for my iPad and my laptop come out on the same date, which is really, really handy. But I am going to sit here and unbox it because I'm so excited. Because I've got things for work that I can do on here, YouTube, editing, because the final thing I want to get is a camera. The G7X, which is the most well-known, renowned vlogging cameras on the market. So yeah, that'll be my next purchase. But let's just open this up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Have I opened it the wrong way up? Probably. Yeah, I have. Go me. Oh my god, look. Don't know how well you can see that Macbook Air. In case any of you were wondering which one I got, it was this one. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Let's get full that. Look. Oh my sweet Jesus. So, this is a MacBook Air 13-inch. 13-inch gold. And yeah, it's got all the information. I don't know how well you can see that, but if you want to read that, you can pause it and read that information. But oh my god, I was going to wait and film this, but I thought, you know what, no, I want to put this open. Oh, perfect. Okay. Oh, my lord. I don't think I've known anything else so exciting. I've got another storage box as well. Come on. I can use that for some good old storage. Look at that. Oh my sweet Jesus. Lockdown has been the time for getting new things. Oh my god, that is so lightweight as well, which I'm sure is the point. Oh my god. Look, it's so thin. I've been eyeing up cases and like covers. Oh my god. I had to match my iPad because this is the same colour as my iPad. Little things, but you couldn't personalise these, which is a bit of a shame, but never mind. Oh my god. You guys. Oh, it's turning on. That's sick. Look at that. So basically, one thing that really made me want it is because it's got Touch ID. This button here's Touch ID. And I just thought, you know what, I really want it. I really, really want it. It's going to make editing so much better because I can just airdrop clips. I can upload it through that. Like, because my old laptop, which I'll show you in a minute. Okay, let's set this up. Is really, really old. It's not as good quality. And like, I've always admired like T's laptop, iPad. Like, she's always had such, like, all my friends have such nice sort of like quality of it all, and I'm just like, yeah, no, I want one. How do you? If you didn't know, I'm from the UK.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
select my Wi-Fi. I can't connect to the internet right now, but that's not a problem. So I'm just gonna agree. Okay. Okay, computer account. This laptop is really, really easy to type on as well, which I really like. It's just so smooth. But yeah, I will be using this for storage, like my iPad lid. I don't want Siri. This may be controversial, but I find Siri so annoying. Like, Siri just does my head in. Oh, Touch ID. I just prefer my MacBook to be, like, I just prefer the dark setting. What do you guys prefer? But I prefer dark, I'm not gonna lie. Setting up your Mac. Oh, this is so exciting. But there's so many companies like Coconut Lane, Skinny Dip, so many companies that I'm gonna test some stuff out for this because I'm super excited. Oh my God, look. I'm so happy. Oh, look. Notes, iTunes. Because I'm actually going to start some work. How much battery? Oh, it comes with full battery. That's really good. And I can go on YouTube via this. Let's just see if I can log into my YouTube channel. Oh, I'm not connected to the internet. Okay. Let's try and connect to the internet. And then I'll be back. Well, I have officially set up the Wi-Fi, so I'm just on my channel, and this is how I'm going to customise, because I'm going to customise my my sort of like the, what's that called? See, this is how I'm not professional. But I'm going to get that personalised and get my profile picture, like channel profile picture, customised as well, because I know this amazing girl who's so talented on Instagram, because I met her through all the engagement groups I'm part of, and she does customise like pictures and banners. That's what that is. That's what I call it anyway. So she's going to customise them for me, and her rates are really, really good. So that's what I'm going to do. And like, I'm just going to update it. I'm going to update my Facebook, my Instagram, everything. So yeah, she's going to make me some YouTube intros, which is so cool. So I'm really, really excited for that. So I'm just going to go like a bundle package, basically. So great value for money. But yeah, this is my, obviously, the outlook of my channel, my popular uploads. I'm going to switch it up a bit once I've sorted everything out, once I've got the banner and the profile pic sorted. Then I'm going to get it all. But I'm just so happy because I'm now going to do some work for my job, which is really exciting. And yeah, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I'm still super grateful. It's going to be perfect for travel because it's so lightweight. But in the box, obviously this one, bog standard, I've got my cable, which is really long actually, looks anyway, and then I've got like the instructions, all that fun stuff, and then obviously the plug, which is the same plug for my iPad as well. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. It's really quick, it's so easy to use, like it's just so smooth and new, and it's fantastic. I'll show you my old iPad, my old laptop. I've never had an Apple laptop before, but I literally just went on so many reviews, so many people have them. This is my old laptop case, which I can use for now to put that in, just to keep it protected. But this is my old laptop. It's an old HP one. I got it so many years ago. It's literally battered. The top of it is scratched. And this is what it looks like. But I've heard I can sell it, because although no one can use it, and I'm going to wipe all my personal stuff off it, I can sell it for like 30 quid on Facebook for people that will use it for parts, because those really smart people that can take apart computers and build them again. I'm not one of those. But someone can get good use out of it, which I didn't realise until T told me earlier. So, you know, thank God I have smarter friends than I am. But yeah, I am so super excited. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe, because I cannot believe I'm saying this, but I only hit 1,500 not that long ago, and I'm already nearly at 1,600, which is insane. I've got my 1,500 subscriber giveaway coming up on my channel really soon. I've just got to wait, because one of the bundles is going to be a lash bundle, fake lashes, and obviously I haven't been paid yet, but when I get paid I'm going to buy them from the companies that I'm buying them from. Then as soon as I get them, I will launch my giveaway video, so keep your eyes peeled for that, because it's one of the best giveaways I've done so far. So yeah, and then there'll be another big giveaway when I hit 1,700 subscribers. So get a sub in, tell your friends, tell your family, because I've got so many fun videos coming your way, and giveaways and just content in general. So yeah, I also want to put a disclaimer out there. I'm not bragging or boasting that I have got this laptop. I have waited so long. You could ask anyone. I've been waiting so long to get a new laptop. I really need it, because I just, you know, as a teenage girl, you know, I needed a new laptop. And it's just so aesthetically pleasing. I am an Apple girl at heart. I know some people don't like Apple. I'm one of those classic girls that just loves it, and I will be sticking to Apple until they are no longer a company, which I doubt will ever happen in my lifetime. So yeah, because I'm going to go for an early upgrade in November to get either the iPhone 11 Pro or the newest iPhone that's coming out. So I will have to pay an upfront cost, but I don't really care. I just want a new phone before Christmas. So yeah, but keep your eyes peeled for an unboxing of a camera, because at some point I will be getting the G7X by Canon, and I cannot wait, because I will film main videos on that, and vlogs as well, obviously, sit down videos, vlogs. It's just gonna be amazing. And now I've got something proper to edit it on. I've got no excuse not to get a camera now, and I can get like a bundle with a case, tripod, adapters for like £500 odd, which is a lot of money, but I can save that up easy. So yeah, I just cannot wait. Things are looking up. And for me to be able to tick 2 massive things off my big purchases that I never thought I'd actually do this year is crazy. Because if you watch my Christmas or New Year's vlog, I think it was at Christmas time when I was at my grandma's, I said I wanted to get a new iPad, a new laptop, a new camera, and start driving. Obviously due to lockdown and the whole pandemic, I can't start the driving yet, but now I've got a new job with better money, and just better everything. When this whole pandemic's like a hell of a lot more calmed down, I'm not going to say over, because I don't think it's ever going to be, well, it will be over at some point, but when it's calmed down, you know, when it's fizzled out a little bit, and when driving instructors can get back out there, which will be a while, I know, because of social distancing, but when that does happen, I'm going to start to learn how to drive, and then get a car, because it's just so handy, you know. It's expensive, but it's worth it. So yeah, but I'm doing the littler things I can actually do, and obviously finance has been my only way of getting my iPad and this new laptop, and I'm not ashamed to admit that. I do wish I could pay for them outright, but there's just no chance I could have done that. So finance was my best option. There's no interest, because if there was interest I just wouldn't have done it. But as I said, this laptop retails for £1,199, originally £999, but plus £200 for the extra memory, which is ridiculous, but it is what it is. And I'll be getting rid of this bottom bit of the box, because I can't use that for storage, but I'll be using the lid for storage, because they're great for that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, click that alarm bell so you're notified on when I upload, which I know has been a bit patchy recently, but it's because I've been working, chilling. I haven't been feeling too good either, so just bear with me. But there will be content up on my channel for you guys. Let me know in the comments what videos you want to see. Let me know what Apple products you've got, what you'd recommend, because I really want to get the AirPods. Let me know in the comments if they're worth it. I've heard they are, so, because my earbuds are broken, I broke one of them, so I need to buy a new pair, because they are really good. And I'm going to try some other cheaper alternatives for wireless earphones, because I've had companies on Instagram wanting to work with me, and you know, like giving me discount and stuff to just like show their products, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to do that, because it's a really affordable brand anyway, and with a discount, and showing you guys and getting you guys a discount code is definitely worth it. So keep your eyes peeled on my channel, as well as my Instagram, which is Lily_Williamson_18. And also, it's my birthday month. On the 22nd of June, I turn 19. I managed to book my birthday off as holiday and the day after, so I can enjoy it as much as I possibly can. So yeah, I'm very excited because it's just, you know, birthdays are just exciting because they're unique, aren't they, really? So yeah, but anyway, I'm going to stop rambling, but keep your eyes out over on my Instagram, so I've got other giveaways planned on there, so much fun content coming, and yeah, I'll see you in the next vlog or video, whichever one you watch first. Bye!